Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get a Relay bank check. I've been using Relay for a while now, and I've been really impressed with their service. They're a great option if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get your hands on some bank checks. What is Relay? Before we get into the specifics of how to get a Relay bank check, let's take a quick look at what Relay is. Relay is a fintech company that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. They also offer a number of other services, such as bill pay and direct deposit. One of the things that I really like about Relay is that they're very transparent about their fees. They don't have any hidden fees or charges, and they're upfront about the cost of their services. How to get a Relay bank check? Now that we know what Relay is, let's talk about how to get a Relay bank check. There are two ways to do this. Order online. The easiest way to get a Relay bank check is to order it online. You can do this by going to the Relay website and clicking on the Order Checks button. You'll need to provide your name, address, and bank account information. Once you've placed your order, your checks will be shipped to you within a few days. Order by phone. You can also order a Relay bank check by phone. To do this, call Relay's customer service number. You'll need to provide the same information as you would if you were ordering online. How much do Relay bank checks cost? The cost of Relay bank checks varies depending on the type of checks you order. The most basic type of check costs $14.99 for a box of 100 checks. You can also order a box of 200 checks for $24.99 or a box of 300 checks for $34.99. Relay also offers a number of different check designs. You can choose from a variety of colors and patterns. What are the benefits of using Relay bank checks? There are a number of benefits to using Relay bank checks. Here are a few of the most notable. They're easy to order. You can order Relay bank checks online or by phone. They're affordable. Relay bank checks are very affordable, especially when compared to the cost of bank checks from other banks. They're high quality. Relay bank checks are made from high-quality paper and ink. They're secure. Relay uses a number of security measures to protect your information. They're convenient. You can use Relay bank checks to pay bills, make deposits, and withdraw cash. Overall, I've been very happy with my experience using Relay bank checks. They're a great option if you're looking for a quick, easy, and affordable way to get your hands on some bank checks. Here are a few additional tips for using Relay bank checks. Order your checks in advance. It can take a few days for your checks to be shipped to you. So, be sure to order them in advance if you need them by a certain date. Keep your checks in a safe place. Bank checks are valuable documents, so it's important to keep them in a safe place. Use your checks carefully. Make sure that you sign your checks correctly and that you're aware of the security features on your checks. Report lost or stolen checks. If you lose or have your check stolen, be sure to report it to Relay immediately. Frequently asked questions. Question: can I order a custom check design from Relay? A. Yes, you can order a custom check design from Relay. However, there is an additional cost associated with this. Question: can I use Relay bank checks to pay bills online? A. Yes, you can use Relay bank checks to pay bills online. However, you'll need to provide the recipient with your bank account information. Question: can I use Relay bank checks to deposit money into my bank account? A. Yes, you can use Relay bank checks to deposit money into your bank account. However, you'll need to endorse the back of the check. Question: can I use Relay bank checks to withdraw cash from an ATM? A. No, you cannot use Relay bank checks to withdraw cash from an ATM. Question: what happens if I make a mistake on my check? A. If you make a mistake on your check, you can simply void it and write a new one. Question: what happens if my check is lost or stolen? A. If your check is lost or stolen, you should report it to Relay immediately. Question: can I cancel my order for Relay bank checks? A. Yes, you can cancel your order for Relay bank checks. However, you must do so before your checks are shipped. Question: how can I contact Relay customer service? A. You can contact Relay customer service by phone or email. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.